Hey, my name is Phil and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I was able to make $5,699 in the month of February 2021 using YouTube and spending $0 on advertising. Now, if that's something that excites you, stick around because this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how I was able to do it, as well as show you some examples so you know what you need to do. And if you want to get bonus training, if you want to get the real deal, how I show you actually step by step from beginning to end, how to actually set up this particular method, make sure you go in the description. I have left a bonus training link in there. Go ahead and sign up for that and you'll get all the information required. Now, just before I get started, if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I've got loads of tutorials in the near future how you can make money with affiliate marketing. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get into today's training. So to kick things off, what I'm actually going to do is log into my Clickbank account just to show you the numbers there and that it's all legit. And then what I'm going to do is actually show you the strategy that I followed to get these results. Okay, so here we are on my Clickbank dashboard. As you can see, B limits to select broken limits like my brand name. I'll just refresh the page quickly so you know this isn't fake or anything like that. So as you can see, it's all loaded. And as you can see, it's March the 1st today, so there is no commissions coming through just yet as it's just ticked over. No doubt there will be some coming in soon. But as you see down here, if I click on affiliate, we've got daily sales coming in through, by the way, as well. I think below here I had a few $300 days, which was quite nice. But as you can see, current sales from Feb the 1st to 28th, $5,699.60 with 115 sales. Last month, $2,708.91 with 51 sales. So I've doubled last month, which is good. The best part of all, I didn't actually do any extra work. It's just growing by itself. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. It's super, super powerful. And basically what we're going to be doing is I'll show you the strategy. Now, how I actually created this income was by creating a YouTube account specific to a certain type of niche on Clickbank. So if I go to the marketplace here, right? You can see there's all these different types of categories. Now there's loads of subcategories inside of each category. You could literally go on forever about it, but basically what you want to do is come inside one of the categories, find a particular type of industry that you're going for. So this one's to do with human anatomy and physiology. So if you wanted to do something based on that, you could create videos around that. You could also do things around, this is what, medical coding study guide. There's all these different things, right? This is probably not the best type of example, but basically what I did was I came to the software and services niche. Now I'm a bit of a nerd for software. I absolutely love all things to do with digital marketing. So what I actually did was I came inside the software and services tab. I came through here and I started looking for different types of software I could actually go ahead and purchase, get to understand how the product actually works, and then what I do is go and create a review video about it. And then what I do once I create the review video is upload it to this particular channel, which I call Legit Marketing Reviews. So this is my channel. I've got now over 1,000 subscribers, which is pretty amazing. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can see all the different things that I post videos about. But basically what I've done in here is actually come through, create some videos based on the different types of tools that I've found inside of Clickbank. And I've just shot review videos about them. Now there is a few extra little steps inside of there, and just to put it out there, not all these videos are to do with Clickbank programs. There's multiple different programs inside of here that run their own affiliate programs. So this income that you saw earlier was only a fraction of what I actually earn. All these other programs also help generate revenue for me, so it's very, very exciting. But I'll show you basically how it works. So if I come to this video here, which I uploaded just yesterday, as you can see, if we look inside of it, I'll just wait for this ad to skip. It's really broken down into a very simple sort of method. So first of all, we have an intro, sort of like what I did in this video, where I just talk about what the video is about, my personal opinions about it, and then I skip through to the actual product. I go through how you can actually purchase the product, what you can expect, because a lot of people are quite skeptical about buying things online. So I walk through that entire process. Then once I finally get in, I just do a quick demo of the actual software. So there's a few elements you have to think about just there. You need to buy the software so you actually have a copy and you understand how it works. Then you just want to find sort of a result that you can actually create a video about. So if someone's like creating, for this example, a thumbnail, I'll go ahead and create a thumbnail, right? Create the entire process, and then I will upload it. It's very, very easy to do. And once I've done that, I'll do a bit of a send off at the end where I once again talk about, here's another ad. Once I want pretty much just recapping the entire thing, but the main point of action is you need to have a call to action in it, right? So as you can see, in the description, I've got some links, right? So you need to make sure you tell people to use the links in your description. And basically that's it. So if we come down here, there's a few sort of elements that you want to look out for. I have added things like timestamps in here. You want to go through and do that. Sometimes it doesn't actually make it an improvement on the video, interestingly enough. So that's optional. I've been starting to do it just to see if it works, but it seems to be working without it. But inside here, I've actually got two different links, right? The first one is a direct affiliate link. So if I open it just to show you what it does, it'll take me directly to the sales page inside of Clickbank. Once that loads, like here, like so that's directly my affiliate link. Second one is another link just to subscribe to my channel. It's very good if you want to grow your channel as well, which I recommend you do, right? So those are both super easy to do, but the best part about it is it's customized, like so it looks quite sharp, right? And I've done that using a tool called Retarget Kit, and it's this one here. So the reason I chose Retarget Kit is because it has more things than just, you know, link tracking and adding pixels and all that sort of stuff. It's actually got things like social logins. So if you want to scrape leads by getting things like Facebook to take their information for you, that's why I chose this. But basically I do that, and then if you want to see the amount of clicks I can get, as you can see, this is the last 30 days. I've got 3,358 clicks from just YouTube alone on this one channel. So this stuff really works. It's extremely powerful. So basically how you find a good affiliate product and how it works, if we come back to the beginning, is just to come through here, right? So choose your particular niche that you're in. Literally all of these work. Self-help's an amazing one. Spirituality is another amazing one. Sports, travel, all really good ones. Home and garden, amazing. So many different niches. What I recommend you do is set up one channel per niche, right? So I won't put spirituality on this particular channel. I won't put, you know, health and fitness on my spirituality channel. Make sure you niche right down, because that's what you really want to get into, because then people will subscribe, they'll see more videos, you'll get more commissions, if that makes sense. For this example, I'll show you what I'm doing here. There are loads of different programs in here, and I'm actually going to create more videos from this in the future. Basically, what I would do is look for a particular program, either course or software that people are interested in. So this one here, VidBullet, that sounds amazing. What I would do is come to the JV page, open it up, right? See what it's all about, see what the program's about, see if I'm interested in it. And there's also the promotional link. Of course, you've got to sign up for Clickbank, but what you want to do is get this link here. You can put a tracking ID if you want, but pretty much generate hop link. This is your affiliate link. I would then go and redirect that from Retarget Kit, if that makes sense. But I would come inside here, read what it's all about. If it's something that I think people would be interested in, what I would then do is actually purchase this product. I'd go through the product and I'd understand it, and then I would create a video based on my experience as well as all of the information inside of it. Now this program I believe might be quite expensive, so a lot of people will be put off it. Instead, what you could do is you could come down to something like videos. You know, this is a much cheaper program. You could get that, and I know a lot of these programs have trials as well, so you can actually just get a trial, get to understand it within the trial period, which is usually like 14 days. And then if you have created your video and you decide it's not for you, then you can always just cancel the trial, if that makes sense. So it's really easy to do. Now, to actually create the video, you may not want to be in front of the camera. That's completely fine. You don't actually need to be. You just need to share good information, and then you also just need to present what you're actually talking about. And to do that, like what you're seeing right now, I use a screen recorder called Screencast-O-Matic. I've tried so many out there. This one's amazing. I think it's like $10 a year or something, $1.65 a month. So yeah, it's like Bill Jelly, so it's like $10 or $15 for the year. And this is more than enough to actually get you started. I use this tool for all of my different types of screen flows. So all you need to do is go ahead and get this software. Just pay for a year. You've got 12 months to actually use it. You can cancel whenever as well. And then just go ahead, go grab an affiliate program. Go grab a program, go register to be an affiliate, and just start creating videos. It's literally as simple as that. One thing to realize is it does take a little bit of time to start getting traction, but the more videos you do, the better it's going to be. Now, of course, there are a lot of other layers inside of this, but this is basically the gist of it. If you followed this particular method, you would actually get some results. There are also hundreds of other affiliate networks out there. There are also hundreds of other affiliate programs. Think of courses, think of software, think of literally anything with a referral program you could do these videos on. It's absolutely incredible. So what I'm going to do right now is I want to talk about a few extra things how you can actually get this kick started. I'm going to jump behind the camera and talk to you now. So as you can see, this Clickbank affiliate marketing strategy is literally no frills. It is so incredibly simple, but it works so perfectly. There's so many gurus on the internet saying you need to have software like ClickFunnels, you need to have your own websites, you need to host it with this host, and you need this website speed thing. But if you just break it down to the bare basics, all we're doing is getting some good information in front of the people who are looking for it, and in return we are getting compensated, right? It's a really, really powerful thing. And if you want to look more at the videos that I was creating on that channel, I'll also link that channel in the description. Go ahead and check it out. Look at the videos. They're amazing videos. Go and model them if you wish. It's entirely up to you. But this particular strategy can be used for everything, not just Clickbank. We're talking about every other type of affiliate network on the internet, as well as things like courses. You know, it could be freebies you're giving away. It could be refer a friend things. I even shot a video on a different channel about a $5 referral reward thing, and I've made thousands of dollars from it just from one video. Absolutely incredible. So this particular strategy is my favorite. As I wake up with commissions, I don't have to do anything to the videos. Once they're up, and it just brings me in passive income. Now, for those people who are really interested in this type of strategy, if you want to have more training from myself, I have actually created a course that I want you to check out. It's incredible. It's from the very beginning, which is choosing an affiliate offer, doing all the research, finding out if it's profitable, all the way to actually posting the video and making it rank on #1. If you want to learn more about that, there is more information in the description. Go ahead and check that out. And apart from that, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. And if you want to learn about more ways where you can actually make money online, as well as do a bunch of other amazing things, make sure you subscribe. There's going to be so much good content coming out in the near future. I'm very excited. Okay guys, that's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed this Clickbank affiliate marketing video. It's literally as simple as that. Go ahead and follow that. And that's it from me guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next video.